Hello and welcome back. This is part 3 of section 1 in phase 4. In this video, we will explain the route builder. To get to the route builder option, go to the left-hand side menu, then click Quotation, then Routes, then click Route Builder. The purpose of this tool is to create routes from predefined visits quickly and easily. However, it is important to understand that this feature is fully dependent on the configuration of the visits, because the essential information of the route will be extracted from the visits before editing them if needed. Now let us go through an example. Let us assume that we need to create a route that starts in Amman, then goes to Jerash to visit the historical site and have lunch, then continues to Ajloun for a visit with the cable car, and finally returns to Amman for overnight. To create such a route, if the visits are configured correctly, we can do it easily using the route builder. From the route builder screen, first choose Amman City. All the visits assigned to Amman will appear. Then press Select on the Amman Hotel, and the system will automatically pull all the information related to this visit, along with route name and description. Next, we have the Jerash visit with lunch. So we select Jerash City, and all the visits available in this city will appear. Then we choose Jerash visit with lunch. The system will automatically extract the Jerash entrance fees and the restaurant fees, and define them in the route so they can be used later as default values in the quotation build. Next, we have the Ajloun visit with the cable car activity. So we select Ajloun City, and then select Ajloun visit with cable car. The entrance fee for Ajloun Castle and the Ajloun cable car fees will automatically be defined in the route as default values as well. Finally, we return to Amman for overnight. So we select Amman City again and choose Amman Overnight. Now notice that in the bottom part of the route builder, we have several fields. These include cost triggers similar to those in the route section, as well as the route name and description, which will already be generated automatically from each visit description. All we need to do now is configure the cost trigger fields. For example, we can assign the bus service as full day, then select the default guide, such as English speaking guide. The starting city and overnight city will already be defined automatically based on the selected visits. If needed, we can also add extra hours. We can also activate guide accommodation and driver accommodation if the route requires them. In our case, they are not required, so we will deactivate them. Once everything is configured, we can edit the route name or description if needed. In our case, there is no need to modify them, so we simply click Save Route, and the system will build the route quickly and automatically with all the defined details. And with this, part 3 of section 1 in phase 4 is complete. In the next section of phase 4, we will explain default values and how they help us reduce the time required for routing data entry in the system by almost half. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.